The Circular Economy course is coming to its close. We have been extremely impressed with your work for the course and the dedication that many of you have shown in sticking through with us right to the end.
Before we wrap up, we would like to share some of your narratives for a circular economy that you created throughout the course. We picked out only a few of our favorites, but we really do encourage you to take a look at other great responses on the forum. I will start with the first narrative. The resources of Earth are limited. The world needs to stop the ongoing sell more, sell faster approach and stop producing products regardless of if there is a demand. Circular economy is, in contrast to linear economy, about closing the loop like nature circles resources, for example water. This by recovering and reusing as many of the products and materials as possible in a systematic way over and over again, through maintenance, reuse, refurbishment, and remanufacturing. A circular business model can also provide a company with beneficial business values, economically, but also enhanced brand perception. What I like about this narrative is how nice the contrast is explained between linear and circular economy.
The next narrative is also a very good one. It says, the circular economy is like an apple tree. In the summer, it produces fruit and foliage. The fruit is eaten and the foliage falls to the ground in the autumn. Next spring, the tree extracts resources from the soil and, powered by the sun's energy, starts to produce fruit and foliage again. The cycle continues for many years until the tree dies and decomposition returns its material resources to the soil. These resources may be used to sustain the growth of a replacement apple tree or some other plant. Each year the tree, which has been dormant through the winter, is repaired and continues to produce fruit. At the end of its life, its components are remanufactured into a new tree or other plant. I like the metaphor that is being used. That really makes the story understandable.
And here's the final narrative we will share. Circular economy is a part of the solution to get out of an outdated consumerism mentality that is negatively impacting society and environment. It is a shift towards environmental friendlier and resource-saving production, and therefore an opportunity to reinvent our economical system. The key here is the prefix re as in rearrange, repair, refurbish, reuse, recycle, rethink, redistribution, and mostly reset. This one explains very nicely the shift of mindset needed. Very nice and well done. Thank you for your inspiration and your hard work. Hopefully you enjoyed the course as much as we did. Bye!
Thanks and goodbye!